Hello, I'm going to be trying our brand new TYME Iron Air. This is the beautiful cream color. This is a professional hairstyling tool. This iron is super special because one, it's just super beautiful. It has these gold colored ceramic plates on the inside, and it's a 2-in-1 styling tool, so you can straighten, you can curl. There is this button right here that if you click, you turn on the cool air vents, which helps set the curl as you're going, which helps your styles last longer. The plates are ceramic plates, which means that the heat is distributed evenly. It helps combat frizz, helps make your hair look more smooth and shiny, and it helps your styles last longer as well. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to use this beautiful iron. Right now I have the heat set to 320. I have clean hair. I have some heat protectant already in my hair. I'm just going to show you how we can straighten with it and curl with it, and I'm just going to curl my whole head. To start, I'm just going to grab a section. I kind of have a little crease in my hair. We're going to show how we can straighten. You just take a section about the width of the iron. I'm going to open it, let it drop, slowly glide down the hair. Go slowly because of these ceramic plates and because I don't have the heat too high. Look at that. Perfectly straight. And so a lot of times with straighteners or curling irons, everything, you'll have to go over it multiple times because it's not professional quality. With ours, it really takes one pass and go slow. I'm going to show you how I like to curl my hair with this. I need this style to last all day, all night, so I am going to use some small sections. I'm going to do some with the cooling air vents. I do my whole head with the cooling air vents, but we're going to do some for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to section my hair. My hair is naturally stick straight. I can never get it to hold a curl. Hard for me, but iron, it actually works really well, and I'm able to hold a curl with it. I'm going to demonstrate one more time because I kind of have some creasing and some just where I had a ponytail in. Right, how it straightens. So I'm just going to grab a section, clamp, go of the clamp, and then slowly glide down my hair. And look at that, one pass and it's straight. So I'm gonna start by taking a small section. And so the key with this is to go slow. So I'm gonna clamp it and I'm gonna twist it away from my face. Hold the tail so that it doesn't get caught anywhere. I'm twisting it again. One more twist, and then I'm gonna start to kind of loosen on this clamp and let it slide out. I like to twirl it around my finger. There we go. A beautiful curl. Where you twist it, you can create different curls with it. If you start by twisting it early, and it can be more tight curls. If you want like a looser blowout look, you can kind of go straight for a little and then start twisting, but I always like to curl away from my face. The beauty of these tools is you can do it however you'd like, and you find out what works best for you. So again, I'm gonna open the clamp. I'm going to put my hair in it, release it, and I just twist away from my face. I hold the tail with my opposite hand, twist, and then I'm about a third of the way down the hair. I'm going to twist it again. At the very end, one last twist. Then I take it out and I twirl it around my finger so that it can set evenly. I'm going to keep doing the same process, make sure everything looks uniform. Every curl section I take is going to be the same size. I'm going to twist the same amount of times on every curl. And so now that I'm moving on to my other side of my head, I have the clamp facing outward. Open it, let it drop, twist it away from my face. One twist, I'm gonna pull down slightly. Third twist, just pull through my finger to help hold its shape. So another hack that I like to do is I finish a section, I like to spray it with some hairspray. I am using my favorite Moroccan Oil medium hold finishing spray. This is the perfect amount hold with it also being flexible. Another hack that I have as someone whose hair is straight and doesn't love to curl is before I start my curl to just do one quick sweep down the hair and just start to heat it up, and then I'm gonna do my curl. Now I'm gonna turn on the cool air vents to demonstrate this. Press this button down here. Turns it on in seconds. You can hear it. So I'm going to do a quick pass down my hair and start to turn. The curl is setting way better with the cool air vents because the faster your curl can cool down and set, the better it's going to be. Section, so I'm just pulling my hair out. Let me show the difference. Look at this curl compared to my stick straight hair. I personally believe that the most important part of your hair is your front pieces. If that looks good, it can make everything else look good. I usually take the 1-inch section, opening my clamp, facing the clip out in front of me. I'm gonna start, when I put it in my hair, instead of just putting it down flat and dropping it, I'm gonna already kind of angle it a little to make sure I get no creases. Also really amazing about this iron is all the edges are rounded. If you try to curl with a flat iron or something, you're gonna have these creases and these kind of harsh lines in it because the edges are straight, which makes it the perfect 2-in-1 styling tool. So I'm gonna spray the whole side with this Moroccan oil hairspray. So this is what this side looks like right now. And I'm just gonna finish up the other side and then we will brush them out and see the final result. Sometimes after I've curled this whole section, I like to come back up and grab a couple pieces from this very top section of my head, really give them a good curl because it just gives you a little more volume to the curl. I'm gonna spray my whole hair again. What I like to do is flip my head over and spray kind of this root area. And I feel like it really gives me like a good lift at the roots. I'm gonna bring my hair forward and take my pick and really just start to kind of comb these curls out. I'm gonna use this pick to also tease it because I want big, beautiful curls. I'm just gonna tease, so I use the pick and tease it where curl goes. So like right here, it's all curling, so I'm gonna tease under it to give it a little lift. Front pieces, smooth it out, make sure everything looks how you're wanting it to. I also like to take the crown of my head and brush it backwards, tease behind it, just to back comb it a little. So I like kind of a more messy volume look. If you want something maybe more uniform, make sure you just take the exact same size section every time. I think it looks great. Look at this. My hair has never had so much volume in my life. And it is all thanks to my TYME Iron Air.